The K. Alleyne-Meloney Scholarship for Studies in the Performing Arts or Cultural Entrepreneurship honors the legacy of artistic excellence in Caribbean gospel music. This partial scholarship, which covers up to 100% of tuition and books for both full-time and part-time students, will be awarded annually to a deserving individual with a passion for pursuing their musical ambitions. The late K. Alleyne-Meloney was a powerhouse of the Caribbean gospel and music community, widely celebrated as a golden voice and a beacon of inspiration. Her journey to international prominence was solidified in 2007 when she was crowned the winner of Digital Rising Stars, a victory that launched a prolific 8-year period of regional and international performances. Kay's career was marked by her versatility and captivating stage presence. She performed at iconic venues like Madison Square Garden, appeared on BET's Bobby Jones Gospel, and shared the stage with Chaka Khan at the Tobago Jazz Experience. Her talent was matched by her competitive spirit, earning her top honors at the World Championship of Performing Arts in 2006 and multiple titles as Most Outstanding Vocalist at the Trinidad and Tobago Music Festival. As a cultural ambassador, she was honored by the Tobago House of Assembly in 2007 and named a Top 20 Star of Tomorrow by the National Youth Action Committee in 2008. She served as CEO of Kappa Production Company, where she transitioned from performer to visionary, overseeing diverse creative projects. She toured extensively across the Caribbean, the United States, and the United Kingdom, bridging cultures through her music. Following her passing on July 6, 2025, this scholarship was established to preserve Kay's extraordinary legacy. It serves as a tribute to her dedication to the arts, providing financial support to aspiring Tobagonian artists who possess the same drive. Through this fund, Kay's golden voice will continue to resonate by empowering the next generation of musical leaders.